Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is urban t-shirt style. Total file is 14. One folder here is the distort, you see here, and property is 2.82 GB, but don't worry, I will compress for you, easy to download. And these files are protected password in this app good Google Play Store and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime. All password access for lifetime. So you see here, open in window photo viewer, but you can open in Photoshop 20 or 21 for editing. Okay, you see, put your own design here, or you can design your logo. Next is same thing is here, same thing. These are high definition files, you see here. Okay, double click, open in Photoshop. Our file is open in Photoshop. You see here in layer area, here is your image. You see, simply you can change color. You see here, depend your own choice. Okay, and your image is here. Import your image, press Ctrl S for saving, and here is FX group, here is image. Okay, now cancel, and no, same thing is here, same thing is here. Just open in Photoshop and you write anything. You see, you can change color, and same thing is here. Depend your own choice, and press Ctrl S for saving. I hope these are useful for you. Password in this app with Google Play Store and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime. Take care, Allah Hafiz.